Hello, friends. I'm just checking the audio level. Hello. Yeah, it's okay. Fine. No problem. Now, um, yeah. This good evening, friends. Today is 5th of October 2019. The time must be somewhere around 4:20 p.m. there. Ashwin Avinash, good morning for me. Good evening for you. Thank you. Nemmi, good evening. Welcome. Yeah, first few minutes, I will try to talk to you something general about insurance awareness. Yeah, I'm guiding you from Canada. Yeah, but today I got up a little late. That's why, and the time has got delayed. No problem. Now, I will just tell you about some of the questions I will be asking. Then you can tell me um, how it goes, because normally first thing is about history of insurance. So actually, what is insurance? Insurance is a contract by which a risk or loss or damage is shifted to another party called insurer on the payment of a charge by by the party insured, known as premium. The insurance company is known as insurer, and the person or party getting the insurance is called insured. See, actually, first and foremost thing is what is insurance, and also what is meant by insured, and also what is meant by premium. These three words you must be thorough with. Fine, Gautam Dumra, fine, fine. These three words you must be familiar with. What is insurance? Insurance means what? Passing on the risk. For example, our life risk coverage. A family member is covering his life by paying some premium to LIC, and that and his life is insured. And touch wood, if anything happens to him during the policy period, the family of the deceased nominee or the nominee mentioned in the policy will be given the money. So that is the concept of life insurance premium. Here, initially, when this all started, they were paying premiums only once in a month, and subsequently now it has become every quarter, uh, every quarter or every 6 months or once in a year also we can pay. Nowadays LIC has got a system. When April to March, whatever premiums are becoming due within that year, you can pay beforehand. So that is what is the advantage they have now given. Nominee is a person whose name has been given in the policy by the insured to state that in the eventuality of the death of him, the money will go to the that person. Normally, it is in the case of unmarried boys, they will give the name of their mother. So, and after marriage, it will be changed to the wife. And in the case of family, say normally wife's name will be given, and in case wife is not there, Naveen Singh, good evening. In the case wife is not there, the nominee will be son or daughter, as the case may be. Yeah. Now I am talking about life insurance. I'm talking about life insurance. What you are telling is correct. In the case of general insurance, in the eventuality of any unforeseen event, for example, now Lalita Jewelers in Tiruchirappalli, where about 13 crore jewels have been stolen. 13 crore jewels have been stolen, and And out of that, they have found some 5 kilos out of 23 kilos or 28 kilos. So that such incidents like burglary also are covered under like general insurance. What I was now talking to you is mainly about life insurance, because in LIC, HFL exams and all, they may ask general terms regarding general insurance, but mainly life insurance will be covered. That is why I'm telling you about that. Okay, good. Um, See, the in the year 1956, Parliament of India passed the Life Insurance Corporation of India Corporation Act, and then the Life Insurance Corporation was created on 1st September 1956. 1st September 1956, this was created. Yeah, 13 crores have been burglary. Yeah, in Tiruchirappalli, known as Lalita Jewelers. What happened? They have they have they have broken the wall. They have entered into the room through the ground, and then they have stolen away all the goods. This has been done with the knowledge or with the connivance of some people there. Yeah, Tiruchirappalli. So I told you about the formation of Life Insurance Corporation of India in 1956. And when we study about Life Insurance Corporation of India, we cannot escape from going through the Life Insurance Corporation of India website. So first of all, we must, if possible, we must go through the website also thoroughly. You know who is your chairman, Life Insurance Corporation of India chairman. Who is the chairman? Who is the chairman of Life Insurance Corporation of India? Mr. M.R. Kumar. M.R. Kumar is the Life Insurance Corporation. Yeah, good, Ashwin. M.R. Kumar is the chairman of Life Insurance Corporation of India. Then, um, yeah, here, what is the history they have given? Under history, what is given under that, if we study, it is more than sufficient. But it is a very big thing. Some of the important milestones in the life insurance in India, they are giving 1818 Oriental Life Insurance Company, the first life insurance company on Indian soil, started functioning. So this is very important. What is the name of the first life insurance company on Indian soil? The Oriental Life Insurance Company. Year is 1818. In the year 1870, Bombay Mutual Life Assurance Society, the first Indian life insurance company, started. See, earlier 1818, that was Oriental Life Insurance Company, not started by Indians. But 1870, first life insurance company started by Indians. 1870. 1912, the Indian Life Assurance Companies Act was enacted as the first statute to regulate the insurance business. That is, even before independence, in 1947, in 1912, an act was passed. In those days, I think they'll be passing in possibly in, say, Parliament of UK. Then 1928, Insurance Companies Act enacted to enable the government to collect statistical information. Like that it goes. Then 1956, this is very important. 245 Indian and foreign insurers and provident societies are taken over by the central government and nationalized. LIC formed by an act of parliament, namely LIC Act 1956. What was the capital contribution? What was the capital contribution? What was the Oriental Life Insurance, I will tell you the year. Yeah, whatever I'm seeing is only from LIC website. 1818, Oriental Life Insurance, 1818, Atara Atara. Bombay Mutual, 1870, Atara 70. देन आपको एक्ट पास हुआ पहले 1912, 1912 ए में पास हुआ, ठीक है, गुड. ओरिएंटल. Then I was telling you about another important thing. What was it? Life insurance. This is very important, Ashwin. Remember, 245 Indian and foreign insurers and provident societies. There were some society known as provident societies or taken over by the central government and nationalized. LIC was formed by an act of parliament, namely LIC Act 1956, with a capital contribution. I was asking, what is the capital contribution? The capital contribution is rupees 5 crore. In those days, 5 crore means what a big sum it is. You know, incidentally, in the year 1969 only, banks were nationalized. Banks were nationalized. You know, how many banks were nationalized? You know that? How many banks were nationalized in the year 1969? In the year 1969, how many banks were nationalized? You are aware? It is 14. What was the condition there? The condition there was uh, 14 in 1969 and 6 in 1980. Correct. In the year 1969, the condition they laid was minimum deposit was rupees 50 crores. Minimum deposit rupees 50 crore. All those bank which had a deposit of minimum 50 crore, these 14 banks were nationalized. Say in 1980, the condition was raised to minimum deposit rupees 200 crore. But in 1956, when LIC was formed, no such condition. All the companies that were there were taken over by the government. They thought probably in those days the insurance claims were not settled properly by companies or there were a lot of complaints. So, on account of that, and people were not taking insurance, they were not knowing what is insurance. That is why they have done this. Sir, is LIC website or LIC housing? I am now seeing from LIC website, licindia.in, licindia.in. From that I am seeing. Okay, good. Now, next point is some of the important features we were seeing. Yeah, 1957 is another landmark. General Insurance Council, a wing of the Insurance Association of India, frames codes of conduct for ensuring fair conduct and sound business practices. See, right now, you know, there is an organization which is controlling insurance activities in India. Just as RBI RBI is controlling the banks, the supervision of banks and financial institutions, whereas now what is controlling is IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, is controlling life insurance as well as general insurance. Okay, life insurance as well as general insurance. This point you can know. Very good. Now, let me come to 1950s general in the similar thing happened in 57. Some rules were framed in 57. Then 68, Insurance Act was amended to regulate investments and set minimum solvency margins, and the Tariff Advisory Committee was set up. Tariff advisory, that is, people were charging different premiums in order to regulate a condition. This was introduced. In 1972, this is very important, the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972 nationalized the general insurance business in India with effect from 1st January 1973. Very important. From 1st January 1973, all the general insurance in India was nationalized by the government. You see what happened in 1956, all the life insurance business was nationalized. So in 73, all the general insurance was nationalized. So that means as on this date, no other company was permitted to do, say, general insurance or life insurance. But slowly it started changing only from the year 1991, when Narasimha Rao was example of general insurance is United India Insurance, then National Insurance, then Oriental Insurance, then New India Insurance. These four are government companies. General insurance means what? Life, there is burglary insurance, flood insurance, and then what happens? Then fire insurance. Likewise, so many risks are covered under the general insurance, car insurance, vehicle insurance, then conveyance, that is ship when the goods are being transported, transport insurance. Likewise, these are known as general insurance, and now this is being done by these four general insurance companies, and also by other. Now lot of private sector companies have come in, say, life insurance as well as in the general insurance. Okay. um, very good. Now I was just telling you about life insurance, generally general points in, yeah, that's right. Now what we can do, we can take up. Mm, I have given you LIC interview exam, a link I have given you. Then, say in that, there are so many GK capsule for LIC AAO PDF. So many capsules I have given. So you can take any one. Right now, what comes before my mind is this one. My eyes is this one, aspirant zone. I am just reading out some of the important points from this. Here, generally, first itself, they are telling us certain important points. Like, say, what are the four general insurance companies in public sector? National Insurance Company, New India Assurance Company, the Oriental General Insurance Company, United India Insurance Company Limited. United India Insurance Company headquarters is in where? Chennai. In 2000, this is very important. Ashwin, note down. In the year 2000, IRDA Act came into force. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority Act came into force. Then GIBNA and Insurance Act 1938 were amended. Earlier acts were amended. An amendment to the GIBNA removed the exclusive privilege of General Insurance Corporation and its subsidiaries carrying on general insurance in India. In November 2000, General Insurance Corporation was notified as the Indian Reinsurer. There is an organization known as General Insurance Corporation. It is known as Reinsurer, and through administrative instruction, its supervisory role of the four subsidiaries was ended. Then, with the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Act 2002 coming into force from March 21, 2003. GIC ceased to be a holding company of its subsidiaries. The ownership of the four erstwhile subsidiary company and also General Insurance Corporation of India were vested now in Government of India. GICRE is a wholly owned is a wholly owned company of Government of India. This is very important. Ashwin, are you following? Yeah, very good. Ashwin, you are telling United India Insurance is in Chennai, NICEL is in Kolkata. All these are where in a no, this is not there in LIC website. This is there in a link I have provided. You know that LIC, 1 minute, 1 minute, Ashwin. I will give you, I will give you the link. See, in this link, I have given you LIC material. Not only that, Ashwin, I have given you, say, banking materials in this SBI. I am giving this under every video. Under every video of mine, before comments, you can see these links and say this one will this a perusal of this will be useful for all bank exams and also insurance exams, Mahendra Bank's interview. Then this one latest I have added is IBPS clerks material. Yeah, is that okay? Now if you go through that you will get it. Now, from that I am reading from one of the books. Yeah. Now, the organization's name that is controlling or supervising insurance companies is IRDAI. IRDAI. And then this is also very useful. There is one paid, this I think here it is only question paper. Then there is another one, list of LICAAO insurance terms for part 2, insurance basics. Insurance basics. Yeah. This is ambitious Baba. Here insurance basics are all given. Whatever I told you generally up till now, it has come. Now it has come to here. We are going to discuss about. Are you following me? Yeah, TS Vijayan. Suresh Mathur is the CEO. Good, 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 good. You know that. Very good. Where is headquarters of IRDAI? Where is headquarters of IRDAI? IRDAI. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. It is in Hyderabad. Good. Badhiya, badhiya. Very happy. Good. Here, composition of IRDAI as per section 4 of IRDAI Act, it consists of chairman, 5 whole-time members, 4 part-time members appointed by the Government of India. IRDAI's head office is at Hyderabad. Entities regulated by IRDAI, life insurance companies, both public and private sector companies, general insurance companies, both public and private sector companies. Among them, there are some standalone health insurance companies which offer health insurance policies. For example, that Star Health Insurance and all, they offer only health insurance. Then reinsurance companies, then intermediaries, which include the following, or corporate agents, brokers, third party administrators, surveyors, and loss assessors. See, in the case, in the eventual, now that the burglary has taken place, there will be some surveyors who will assess the loss. Types of insurance companies in India, it is given life insurance, general insurance, reinsurance, health insurance, and specialized insurance companies. Life insurance, we know, insuring the life of individuals. General insurance is insuring for fire, burglary, then say fire, burglary, flood, like that, Then reinsurance is, see, when a big project is taken for insurance, the risk will not be taken by one company. They will cover it with another reinsurance, under another company. So, as likewise, health insurance is issuing of mediclaim policies and all. And India, list of insurance companies, how many we have got, totally there are 23 life insurance companies in India. 23 life insurance companies. Prerna Jain, marine. See, that marine, I did not get that word. Marine insurance. Marine insurance means sending the goods through ship. Supposing goods are shipped from India to America, that will be covered in all the countries. So, also, when the goods are sent through flight, also, they are to be covered. Flight insurance. So many things are there. And, 23 private, yeah, 23 private, um, 20 public sector banks. No, no. Public sector banks, as on date, I'm confused. There are a lot of changes taking place. But okay, somewhere around 14 it was there. What happened? 14 banks were there. Out of them, 14 plus 6, 20. Now, out of them, two have been merged into one. So it became 18. I think it will be 18, and State Bank of India won 19. So totally 19 banks, I think so. 20, how I do 12, it is going to become 12 public sector banks. Sure. Very good. 23 private and one life insurance corporation of India, followed by general insurance companies. As per ambitious Baba notes, I have 21 general insurance companies. 21 general insurance companies, and also how many public sector? 4 public sector. Then standalone health private companies, how many? They have given 6 here. They are known as Aditya Birla Health Insurance, then Apollo, Cigna, Max Bupa, Religare, Star Health. Specialized insurers, there are specialized insurers like Agricultural Insurance Company India Limited, Export Credit Guarantee Company India Limited. Then reinsurers, I told you one, not one, two are there. General Insurance Corporation of India, that is a reinsurer. Then ITI Reinsurance Limited. So these are the companies that are there right now. I am come to the material. See, I am going from one material to another. First, I was concentrating on Life Insurance Corporation of India website. Now I am concentrating. I told something from Aspirant Zone. Now I am telling you something from Ambitious Baba. Whatever is easily readable, I am telling you. Ambitious Baba website. Ambitious Baba web. I have given you the all that material in the link provided by me. These are in page number 7, 8, 9, and all. Now we are on page number 9. Here we are seeing life insurance companies' head offices and their head offices. Here, Life Insurance Corporation of India is head office is Mumbai. Chairman name is wrongly given. Then HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. Likewise, so many private companies are there. Okay. Then list of general insurance company. So many private companies are there, like ACO General Insurance Company, Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company, Agriculture Insurance Company, Apollo Munich Health, like that. Then DHFL General Insurance Company, then Future General India. So many companies are there. Then public sector companies are, say, National Insurance Company. This you should know. Headquarters is in Kolkata. General Insurance Corporation of India, headquarters in Mumbai. United India Insurance Company, its headquarters in Chennai. The tagline for that is at United India, it is always you before. New India Assurance Company, Mumbai. General Insurance Company, Mumbai. Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited, New Delhi. I think ECGC must be Export Credit Guarantee Corporation must be in Bombay. Okay, good. So Ashwin, now I have opened a book known as what is that? This is Ambitious Baba. What is the title I have opened? Here, Insurance Basics. There is a book in the link I have provided known as Insurance Basics. From there, I am reading out certain important things. Is that okay? Good. Now, are you following, Ashwin? Is the speed okay, or should I slow down or increase the speed? Is the speed okay, Ashwin? Prerna? Yeah, speed is okay. Good, good. Excellent. We saw about public sector insurance companies. The last one we saw agriculture insurance company headquarters in what? New Delhi. Okay. About LIC, we already started. We already saw General Insurance Corporation of India. It is on page number 16. Page number 16. Please note down. That is in Ambitious Baba, page number 16, 17. About United India Insurance and all that. Now, paid up capital requirement for new India insurance company in India. This is very important. Very important. Very important from exam angle. What they are telling, what is the paid up capital requirement for new insurance company in India? Say in the case of banking sector, for starting a small, for starting a new private sector bank, you need minimum 500 crores. But in the case of life insurance business or general insurance business, if you want to start 100 crore rupees required. 100 crore. If you want to start a reinsurance business, 200 crore. If you want to start health insurance business like Star Health Insurance, like right now, I think um, some other lady, that one who was in SBI as chairman, that madam is starting a new insurance company. FDI in insurance sector is allowed. In the recent budget, they have allowed 100% FDI, foreign direct investment, as per the latest budget. As per the latest budget, they have allowed 100%. Previously, I think it was 49% only. Prior to this, Nirmala Sitharaman coming and all, it was 49% only FDI. Now it is 100%. Ashwin, is it clear? Now we are going into straight into principles of insurance. Page number 19, Ambitious Baba. Here, 7 principles of insurance are there. What are the 7 principles of insurance? The principle of, you don't have to write, listen. You don't have to write, listen. All this is available in the book known as, in my link, Insurance Basics. Insurance Basics. There is a booklet. That book has been given by Ambitious Baba. Seven principles of insurance are principle of Ubereme Fide. Ubereme Fide means at most good faith. Whatever we are doing in insurance is done only in good faith. Number two, the principle of insurable, I will explain about it. The principle of insurable interest, the principle of indemnity, the principle of contribution, the principle of subrogation, principle of loss minimization. Why do we take insurance? To minimize the loss. Principle of causa proxima, that is nearest to cause. These are the principles of insurance. FDI insurance now 100% as per budget. As per budget. Prior to that, before that, it is 49%. In the exam, if you have 49% only, not 100%, then you mark 49%. If they give you 100%, not 49%, then it, I think it has not been fully implemented. Right now we are only 49, it will become 100. Okay, that's right. Now, where are we now? The principles, seven principles are utmost good faith. That is, both the parties, who are the both parties, insured and the insurer, should have good faith towards each other. For example, when we go and take policy from LIC, we should believe in LIC. LIC should believe in us. LIC should believe that whatever we are telling is correct. Whatever we are telling is truth. The insurer must provide the insured complete, correct, and clear information of the subject matter. That means the company which is insuring should tell what are all the risks that are covered, in what manner it is covered. Like, for example, your life risk is covered, you have to make payment of premium. If you fail to make payment of premium by so many days, the policy will lapse. Likewise, all these details must be given by the insurance company. Is that okay? Yeah. Next one is insurer must provide the insured complete, correct, and clear information regarding terms and conditions. Principles is applicable to all contracts of insurance, that is life, fire, and marine insurance. Next is what is insurable interest? The insured, the person who is getting insured, must have insurable interest in the subject matter of insurance. In life insurance, it refers to the life of the insured. Supposing I go and take life insurance policy, I can take life insurance policy for me because it is for my life. I can take life insurance policy for my wife, daughter, and son. But I cannot take a policy in the name of Ashwin Avinash. No, because there is no contract. But if Ashwin comes as an employee of a company where I have got interest, then that company can cover your life risk. Could you follow? That is what the banks and others are doing. When they take insurance policy for employees, they they say all employees are covered. Those who are working, those who are joining. It is a whole time insurance. According to that, whatever insurance claims are there settled by insurance companies. In marine insurance, it is enough if the insurable interest exists only at the time of occurrence of the loss. In the fire and general insurance, it must be present at the time of taking policy and also at the time of occurrence of loss. For example, fire and general insurance, like burglary insurance, now Lalita insurance jewelry, Trichy, 13 crore loss, he the owner can take the insurance. and he has to take the insurance before the occurrence of loss, not after the loss. The owner of the party is said to have insurable interest on as long as he is the owner of it. It is applicable to all contracts of insurance. Very good. Next is principle of indemnity. Mr. Avinash, it's slightly theoretical, but still you have to know this. There is no other go. We have to read it, and we have to get to know about this. Where you find it is slightly more theoretical, you want only question answers, you tell me. Then I will go into question answers and then tell you. Okay, that's what it is. Now we are in principle of indemnity. Indemnity means what? A guarantee or assurance to put the insured in the same position in which he was immediately prior to the happening of the uncertain event. The insurer undertakes to make good the loss. For example, where you are giving a burglary insurance, then what is the terms of that? Thereby you say, in case you cover your loss fully, you have about 40 crores goods, you cover fully for 40 crores, and if there is a loss of 10 crores, I will compensate you 10 crores. It is applicable to fire, marine, and other general insurance. Under the insurer agrees to compensate the insured for the actual loss. They will not give you more than the loss. They will give you only whatever is the actual loss. Here again, there is one catch point. Supposing like that recent Lalita insurance 13 crore lost, if they have taken insurance only for 5 lakhs, then they will get only proportionate. That is known as principle of average clause. Next one, principle of contribution. The principle is corollary to the principle of indemnity. It is applicable to all contracts of indemnity. Under the principle, insured can claim the compensation only to the extent of actual loss, either from any one insurer or all the insurer. Some people may cover the life, may cover the risk from more than one, but you have to cover only, you can get from only one company, not from many companies. Then principle of subrogation. Subrogation, as per this principle, after the insured is compensated for the loss due to damage to property insured, then the right of ownership of such property passes on to the insurer. Supposing, as per the principle, after the insured is supposing some loss happens for the same vehicle, and the vehicle compensation has been given when the vehicle is fully damaged, then compensation is given, then that vehicle, old vehicle, will belong to the insurance company. This principle is corollary to the principle of indemnity and is applicable to all contracts of indemnity. Principle of loss minimization. Under this principle, it is a duty of the insured to take all possible steps to minimize the loss to the insured property on happening of certain uncertain event. Very, very important point. For example, say if somebody takes life insurance and commits suicide within a period of 1 year or so, it is not covered. Similarly, you are taking burglary insurance, you are keeping open the door, allowing the burglars to come and take the property, the risk is not covered. So, as an insured, you must take a precaution. For example, when you have taken vehicle insurance, motor vehicle insurance, but you drive the vehicle after drinking, you incur a loss. No compensation. Like that, certain details are there. I think even helmet wearing may be compulsory. Next one, principle of causa proxima. The loss of insured property can be caused by more than one cause in succession to another. So, for example, yeah, fire happens, and when the fire is happening, some other people in that area come and take away the goods. So, both are happening. Both fire insurance as well as burglary is happening. But if you have taken only fire insurance, a proportionate loss only will be given. The property may be insured against some causes and not against all causes. In such insurance, the proximate cause of nearest cause of loss is to be found out. In the proximate cause is the one which is insured against the insurance company is bound to pay the compensation and vice versa. For example, you have taken fire insurance but not burglary insurance. Some burglary has taken place. Insurance company is not going to give you the money. Could you follow? Good. Excellent. Aswin, are you following? Aswin, are you following up till now? Is that okay, Aswin? We are now going through the insurance basics given in the link provided by me. If you want that link for others' benefit, I will give that link again. Yeah, I have given you that link, and in this link, out of this link, there is a book known as Insurance Basics. We are reading from that book. Okay, very good. And in that, the page number we have covered is 21. Now we are going to 22. Chapter 4, Life Insurance Terminology. What are the important terms defined? First is insured. Insured means one who takes insurance. In the case of LIC HFL, where yeah, LIC HFL is giving loan for purchase of a house property, what they will do, they will take the insurance coverage on the life of the borrower. They will cover the general insurance risk of say fire, burglary, etc. of the house property. Burglary they may not take, they will take only burglary. So the insured means the person who is taking insurance. Insurer means a company which is giving the insurance. Sum assured. Next, sum assured means up to what extent you have covered the coverage of risk. For example, where you take life insurance risk, you and I, when we may take about 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and all. Whereas Ambani, when he takes, Amitabh Bachchan, when he takes, they will all take in crore because their life risk is more. And yeah. So, and in fact, some actresses and all, they may cover for huge amounts. Next one, lapsed policy. What is a lapsed policy? See how a policy is coming into existence on payment of premium by the insured regularly. If the insured is not going to pay the premium regularly and he stops, then after that time, the policy is said to be lapsed. Sum assured money means supposing you buy a Activa scooter, Honda Activa scooter. Honda Activa scooter cost is now 65,000 rupees. So up to 65,000 rupees, the sum is assured by the insurance company. The insurance will be given by general insurance company like United India, New India, or say Oriental, or some other private insurance companies. And yeah, and that is the amount covered. But that amount will not be paid by insurance company all the time. After 1 year, what happens? They will apply 10% depreciation. First year 65,000, And if any damage happens, up to that extent they will give. I mean, if the Activa Honda is damaged, fully lost, that is, it is stolen, then full coverage will be given. But some accident happens, to an extent of accident they will give. Okay, and from the second year, what happens? The premium will be the premium may be more same or increased. Sometimes they increase it, decrease it, not. And there then the insured sum assured will come down by 10%. That is a point to be remembered. Very good. Lapsed policy, I told you. Age of the policy holder. The correct age of the policy holder need to be determined for calculating the premium of life assured. The general rule is higher the age, higher will be the premium. Age of the policy holder on the date of commencement of the policy needs to be calculated by insurance companies. For calculating age, by and large, insurance companies consider only the number of years completed and ignores months and days. There are three methods using which the age of the policyholder can be determined. That is, first one is age next to birthday. For example, if one is born in 1950 March, age next birthday is what? Aswin, if one is born in 1950, now what is age next birthday? Tell me, Ashwin, Avinash. If one is born in 1955, now what is the next age next birthday? 70. No, age next birthday. Age next birthday. There are three methods, but normally they will take only age completed, that is 69. You are correct. But age next birthday is 70. Age last birthday is 69. Age nearest birthday. In this method, the insurance companies calculate the age based on the nearest birthday, which could be either the last birthday or the next birthday. For example, right now we are in October. If somebody is born in, say, January, only 3 months are there. So, what is the age that will come on that day that they will take? But normally in LIC, what they take is number of years completed. That one will do. Next one, what is mortality table? Mortality tables, they are also known as tables of actuarial tables. Mortality tables are used by insurance companies for calculating premiums for insurance products. The mortality table contains the mortality rate for each age. The mortality experience for each plan is different. The mortality table is prepared by actuaries on the basis of past experience. Actuaries means insurance people. They prepare a table, say for some assured 1 lakh. If the age of the person who is taking policy is 20, what is the premium he has to pay every year? If the age is 40, how much he has to pay? Likewise, they prepare a table. Then actuaries are trained professionals who deal with the final aspect of risk to life. They are people qualified from the Institute of Actuaries London or Actuarial Society of India. They analyze the occurrence of risk and their impact by using various mathematical, statistical, and financial models. Actuaries study probability and analyzes the whole operation of insurance business. That is why when you join LIC HFL or LIC, you will be writing a examination known as actuarial exams. You have to pass that. If you pass, you'll be given increments. Similar to in the case of banking, there are examination known as JAIIB and CAIIB. After joining the bank, if you pass JAIIB, they will give you one increment. After joining, you pass second exam also, you will get second increment also. The of course in some private banks it may not be there, but it is there in almost all the nationalized banks and other private sector, big private sector banks also. Some private sector banks they may not have, they give you a higher salary, they fix it up. For LIC clerk, can we expect this much theory? Yes. Yes. No, the content is same. Content is same whether the vacancy is less or more. Hello, Aswin, LIC clerk vacancies are less probably in Chennai. You have applied for Chennai or which zone? It depends on the zone. Which zone have you applied, Aswin? Aswin, which zone? Chennai only. Chennai, I think they have only 38 vacancies. I'm not sure. Some few vacancies only. But can't help it. But the exam is same. Oh, Coimbatore. Okay. So whatever is applicable for Coimbatore. But exam is same exam throughout the country. 8,000 people are going to be selected. Some how many lakhs will be writing? Normally, first when it was introduced, IBPS in bank exams clerks, 45 lakh people wrote about 8 or 9 years ago. 45 lakh. Okay, now you say only 15. So there may be many boys and girls who would not have applied. It is possible. So you may have less, but even then, minimum there will be. Say, normally what happens in banking, say, for 2,000 vacancies, 2 lakh people write the exam. You can understand how much is the number. For 15, I think into 10, 150, into 100, 1,500, and possibly 15,000 people may be writing. I'm not sure. No. Examination may not be tough. Examination will be ordinary. Whatever subjects they have prescribed, reasoning, maths, general knowledge, insurance awareness, etc. Why I am talking about insurance awareness? Because in LIC AAO exam, almost all those people who have succeeded and come, they told insurance awareness was what they found it very difficult, because in exams they are asking questions in a very different way. For example, I will read out one question for you. You see, the type of questions they ask, it is not direct. It is not direct. It is not directly asked. It is based on, unless you have studied, you cannot answer. That much difficult questions are asked. That is why I thought I have to go through some of the materials and then give you. Lot of materials are I have given you. So whatever is understandable to you, you read and you remember them. That's all. Beyond that, you cannot do more. And I have posted some videos on life insurance terms and all that. Yeah, apart from whatever lecture now you are listening, you can listen to that also. 1 minute, I am coming to a set of questions I have earmarked, and from there I will ask, you see what type of questions, tough questions they are asking. I will just tell you. Yeah, coming to that, this is on a booklet known as LIC 38. I have given you in the link. LIC 38. I have given you in the link. In that book, in that book, say page number 271. Here they are asking which of the following denotes the underwriter's role in an insurance company. First choice, process claims. Second choice, decide acceptability of risk. Third choice, product design architect. Fourth choice, customer relations manager. Aswin, are you hearing? Are you here listening? Yeah. The question is which of the following denotes the underwriter's role in an insurance company? Process claim, decide acceptability of risk, product design architect, customer relations manager. Yeah, the answer for this is decide. What is the answer you are guessing? Come on. File name, 1 minute. From the bottom third file, LICAAO IC Dioconnect, LICAAO IC 38. This is the latest document available. LIC 38 from the last third. Page number 271. The first question, which of the following denotes underwriter's role in an insurance company? Answer is decide acceptability of risk. Second question, which of the following is not an underwriter decision? Risk acceptance at standard rates, declinature of risk, postponement of risk, claim rejection. Here the answer is 4. Claim rejection is not done by underwriters. Which of the following is not a standard age proof? Passport, school leaving certificate, horoscope, birth certificate, which cannot be accepted as a standard age proof. Aswin, can you tell me what is the answer? Question number 3. Question number 3. Which of the following cannot be taken as an age proof? The answer, very good. Answer is horoscope. Which of the following condition will affect a person's insurability negatively? Choice given, daily jogs, banned substance use, lazy nature, procrastination. What is the answer? Without looking into the answer, tell me, Mr. Avinash. No, no, that's because you don't understand the meaning of the word procrastination. Procrastination means postponing things, postponing activities. For example, you are preparing for LIC exam, you procrastinate, that is, you are postponing it to tomorrow. That is procrastination. Postponing activities. That cannot be a reason for this one. Here, the question they have given, what is the which of the following will affect a person's insurance? That is, when can an insurance company say no? I told you of an example. Say after taking motor vehicle, when you are going to drive, drunken driving not covered. Similarly, banned substance use abuse. Banned substance abuse. Could you follow? No, no. Banned substance abuse is the answer. Next one, question number 5. Under what method of writing does an underwriter assign means earmark, positive rating points for all negative or adverse factors, bracket, negative points for any positive or favorable factors. Question number 5. The answers choice given: judgment, arbitrary, numerical rating, single step. These are all decided by numerical rating. Next question. Under risk classification, dash consists of those whose anticipated mortality corresponds to the standard lives represented by the mortality table. Standard lives, preferred risks, substandard lives, declined lives. The answer is standard lives. See, mortality means year of death. Now, in India, what is the mortality rate? India's life expectancy, India's life expectancy now. What is life expectancy in India? Life expectancy in India, uh, Avinash, please note down. I'm giving the link. I am giving the link. Okay, Ashwin, no problem. Please go and come. Please go and come. Here it is morning, 7:56 a.m. Here, boys, remember what is the life expectancy now? India, um, totally it is 68.8. 68.8. Male 67.4, female 70.3, and a total 68.8. India ranks in the world rank 125. Good. Life expectancy is now like this. Good. Anybody else has come? You have any questions now? Ashwin has just gone for a few minutes for his face wash and all that. Now, anybody has got some doubts? Anybody online, please? I am giving you, again, those who have just now come, I am giving you the link for all the materials, all the materials, including LIC. Oh, it will not come. Okay. I will give you LIC materials only. I am giving you LIC materials only now. Yeah, here in this link, you have lot of materials which I am using for covering, because I am not having a board to display. I am just giving that so that you can see that and read. Yeah, any questions any of you have got? We started it around, yeah, 4:45. How much was it? 4:15 or so. Yeah, 6:45 I started. It in India it must be 4:15 or 4:20. Yeah, good. So Avinash, has he come? Avinash has gone out. Now those who are available now, if you have any questions, you can tell me. And first, I would like to tell you please go through the website of LIC. First and foremost, before writing LIC exams, you must go through that LIC website thoroughly, and also irdai.in. I think IRDAI is ORG. I'm giving the link. Yeah. If we know these two websites thoroughly, 50% of our exam, sorry, 60% of our exam is over. irdai.gov.in. Ashwin, you have come back. Ashwin has gone out, so I'm waiting for him. Ashwin has been a candidate right from the beginning. So beginning of the class. So I'm just waiting for him. Yeah. Anybody else who has just now come, are you writing some other exam? If you have some other question in your mind, please ask. I can clarify. If you are appearing for some interview and all, tell me. If you are appearing for bank interview, I will give you the materials. If you are appearing for bank interview or bank exams, I am giving you the material links. Any questions? Anybody has got some doubts or questions? Please ask. To an extent possible, I will clarify your doubts. And this is the latest one I have posted. Ashwin, you're back. Very good, very good. Ashwin, we were reading question number 5 over, and also next one 6 also over. Under the risk classification, dash consists of those whose anticipated mortality corresponds to standard lives represented by the mortality table. Obviously the answer is 1, standard lives. Choices given: standard lives, preferred risk, substandard lives, declined lives. You know why I gave you about life expectancy? Life expectancy now it is, I told you some amount, some figure. What is that? I told you some figure. From that, yeah, here it is. Now it is 68.8. At the time of independence, India's life expectancy was very low, somewhere around 47, 48. And you can see the table. Even now, the ranking is not good. In compared to among the world's, India's rank is 125th rank among so many countries. Okay, good. Could you follow this? Yeah. Now let me go to the next question, number 7. Amrita, please listen. What is your name? Babinash. Please listen. Amrita is pregnant. She has applied for a term insurance cover. Which of the below option will be the best option to choose for an underwriter to offer insurance to Amrita? Choose the most likely option. Acceptance at ordinary rates, acceptance with extra premium, decline the proposal, acceptance with a restrictive clause. Ashwin, Guess. You have not read the material, but still guess. Guess. Question number 7. I am reading. Should I read again? Sorry. Amrita is pregnant. She has applied for a term insurance cover. Which of the below option will be the best option to choose for an underwriter to offer insurance to Amrita? 1. Acceptance at ordinary rates. 2. Acceptance with extra premium. 3. Decline the proposal. 4. Acceptance with a restrictive clause. Good. Excellent. What you have told is very correct. Question number 8. Which of the below insurance proposal is not likely to qualify under non-medical underwriting? Non-medical means, so normally life insurance, there are two types of insurance. One is with medical, without medical checkup. That's what they are giving. One, Savita, aged 20 years, working in an IT company as a software engineer. Magesh, aged 50 years, working in a coal mine. Satish, aged 28 years, working in a bank and has applied for an insurance cover of rupees 1 crore. Praveen, aged 30 years, working in a departmental store and has applied for endowment insurance plan for a tenure of 10 years. So, which of the proposal is not likely to qualify? Not likely to qualify under non-medical. Correct. That coal mine. Very good. Next one. Sheena is suffering from acute diabetics. She has applied for an insurance plan. In this case, the underwriter is most likely to use dash for underwriting. Choose the most appropriate option. Please go through that. You are having it before your screen. 1. Judgment method. 2. Numerical method. 3. Any of the above method. Since an illness like diabetics does not play a major role in the underwriting process. 4. Neither of the above method, as diabetics cases are rejected outright. The answer is 1. Judgment method. Diabetics people can also take insurance. They will find out what are the parameters of the person concerned, then decide. Okay. Number 10. Santosh has applied for a term insurance policy. His anticipated mortality is significantly lower than standard lives and hence could be charged for a lower premium. Under risk classification, Santosh will be classified under what? Standard lives, preferred risk, substandard lives, declined lives. What is the answer for this, Ashwin? Should I read again? Santosh has applied for a term insurance. His anticipated mortality is significantly lower than standard lives and hence could be charged a lower premium. Under risk classification, Santosh will be classified under 1. Standard lives, 2. Preferred risks, 3. Substandard lives, 4. Declined lives. What is the answer? The answer is standard lives because for him, anticipated mortality is significantly lower. He may not die and he can be charged lower. So it will be classified as standard lives. Oh, sorry. Under risk classification, you'll be classified under preferred risk. Preferred risk. Sorry. Preferred risk. Good. Excellent. Very good. Avinash, I think we have studied for about 1 hour 45 minutes. Doesn't matter. I will stop this now. I'll go and have my breakfast, then come back after taking bath and all, say by India time, roughly say 6:45 to 7. Is it okay? I will return by 6:45 p.m. India Standard Time. Then we will continue with further reading. In the meantime, you have now lot of materials. Just browse through whatever you feel like. Which one are you going to read? Tell me so that I can ask from that. Okay, is it okay? Which one are you going to read now? Or will you be busy? Doesn't matter. No problem. We will meet, say, by Indian Standard Time, roughly 6:45 or 7. Is that okay? Is that okay? Thank you. Ambitious Baba, good. You read that, then we will see. We will discuss that first, then take up other tough questions. Is that okay? Apart from this, I have many more links I can give you for you and others, which will be of great use. Online also, you can answer the tests and find out. Okay. Insurance basics. Good. Fine. Very nice. Please read for some time. Then I will at random read also. Then I may ask initially some questions, 10 questions. Then thereafter we will start discussing other aspects. I'm very happy you're doing very well. Ashwin, you are from Coimbatore or Chennai? Right now you are now in Coimbatore, Chennai. Coimbatore, very good. Thank you so much. We will meet at 6:45 or 7. But definitely I'll come. I'll sit in another place and discuss. Thank you. Best wishes.